In the fifth part of question number 1, the relation R in a set A of human being in a town at a particular time is given by these are 5 relations. We will take in reverse order. Now, first of all, we will consider relation R where xy it contain ordered pair xy when x is father of y. So, if we take xx, whether this statement is correct, x is father of x. No, I am not father of myself. So, for the E part, R is not reflexive because xx does not belongs to R. Now, for symmetric, if xy belongs to R, then yx is also belongs to R, then the relation is symmetric. But if xy belongs to R, it means x is father of y. Whether yx will belongs to R. If yx belongs to R, then it will mean y is a father of x. How is it possible? X is the father of y. Then how y is the father of x? It is not possible. So R is not symmetric because if xy belongs to R, then yx does not belongs to R. Now consider if xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. Xy belongs to R means x is father of y, and yz belongs to R means y is father of z. Whether xz will belongs to R and x is father of z? No, x is grandfather of z. So xy belongs to R, yz belongs to R, but xz will not belongs to R. It means the relation R is not transitive. So, the relation in the E part, fifth part, it is neither reflexive, nor symmetric and nor transitive. Now take the part D, in which R is a relation which contains xy if x is wife of y. X is wife of y. Whether it is reflexive, whether xx belongs to R. If xx belongs to R, it will mean x belongs to R will mean x is wife of x. It is not possible. X cannot be wife of x. So R is not reflexive because xx does not belongs to R. Now, whether it is symmetric, xy belongs to R means x is wife of y. Then yx will belongs to R. Yx will belongs to R if y is wife of x. So it is not possible. If x is wife of y means y is husband and x is wife. So how y can be wife of x? So if xy belongs to R, then yx will not belongs to R. So R is not symmetric because xy belongs to R does not imply yx belongs to R. Or we can say xy belongs to R but yx does not belongs to R. Now, whether it is transitive. if xy belongs to R, x is wife of y. And consider another pair, yz belongs to R. And yz belongs to R means y is wife of x. Sorry, yz belongs to R means y is wife of z. So how is it possible that if x is wife of y and y is wife of z, then x is wife of z? It cannot be possible. Now take the part C. Now take the part C, in which R contain pair xy if x is exactly 7 cm taller than y. So whether xx belongs to R, xx means x is exactly 7 cm taller than x, which is not possible. I am not 7 cm taller than myself, so x cannot be 7 cm taller than x, so the relation is not reflexive. Now, if xy belongs to R, x is exactly 7 cm taller than y, then yx cannot belong to R, because if x is taller than y, then y is not taller than x, y is in fact shorter than x. So, R is not symmetric because xy belongs to R, but yx does not belong to R. Now, if xy belongs to R, x is 7 cm taller than y. Then also yz belongs to R means y is 7 cm taller than z. Then whether xz will belongs to R. Whether x is 7 cm taller than z? No, it is not possible. X is 7 cm taller than y is 7 cm taller than z, so x will be 14 cm taller than z. So xz will not belongs to R. It means R is not transitive. Now move to the part B. R contain xy if x and y live in same locality. So xx will belongs to R. We will check. Xy belongs to R means x and y live in same locality. Xx belongs to R will mean x and x live in the same locality. It is correct. X and x same, I and myself live in same city. So R is reflexive because xx belongs to R. Now if xy belongs to R, x and y live in same locality, then yx also belongs to R. Y and x also live in same locality. So R is symmetric. Now if xy belongs to R, x and y, xy belongs to R means x and y live in the same locality, and yz belongs to R means y and z live in the same locality. Then xz will definitely belongs to R because xz will definitely live in the same locality. So R is transitive also because xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R implies xz belongs to R. So we can say that this relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, and you know such a relation is known as equivalence relation. Now we will move to the first part, A. The relation will contain pair xy if x and y work at the same place. X and y work at the same place. So R is reflexive because if we take both numbers same x, then x and x work at the same place. It is correct. If xy belongs to R, then yx must belongs to R because x and y work at the same place. Similarly, y and x work at the same place. So R is symmetric. Why? Because xy belongs to R implies yx belongs to R. Now, if xy belongs to R, if xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R, xy belongs to R means x and y work at the same place. Yz belongs to R means y and z work at the same place. Then this implies x and z work at the same place. It means xz belongs to R. So R is